Alright, my peeps, so we are here again, Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so actually the work I gonna kick off right as we speak. The work I gonna start, A little D we have on the thing. Some of you might remember him. Some of you might remember him from my project. Man, I come from Everton school, You see me, I say, years a man of the monks Everton and I work, Yeah, so persons are asked to Everton contact. Everton are up on the island no more. You see me, Everton migrate. So we get a whole heap of them asked for Everton on the boat. Drop a like, guys, alright? As you come in, if you haven't subscribed already, want to just subscribe, alright? So this is it. I'm going to show you a few clips of the issues where we encounter with this thing. Just to know, this person purchased his property basically as is, almost as is. Just a little bit of work she do. So a little bit of shoddy work was done before. So a whole heap of shoddy work. So she called me to basically help her to correct some of the faults, get it back, get it to an acceptable level. So we're going to drop in some clips now, show you some of the issues where we encounter, alright, or uncover. Yep. Alright, so this mark, which part this window is. So you see, the window not up on the same level, right? Because when we measure from ground to the bottom of the window here, 43, over here so I say 41. So immediately now, we level up the window and say, them not upon one level. You understand me? I said that down the deep down, that one a little more higher up. The floors are not on the same level. And if you have a tile out the house, the floor has to be on one level. You understand? The floor has to be on one level for the house tile properly. So, all of them little things there. Because you see them I draw them card line and I look for the level, so the ground have the level. Up here, so when we stand up, higher than which part of them man there. And the floor can't work, so the floor have the level. You understand? So, probably some digging out of the go on or casting up to get everything by one level. And then window here, have to square up on one level.
Yeah.
You understand?
You see over here some flat? Yeah. You see this?
Alright. See?
The floor.
See now? See the level here? You say level? Look how high up half of the ground in there, right? That's all? In the high up half of the ground. Even over here, so they flat on the ground. So possibly this floor I think cast up 1-2 inches to go up or dig down that side there. So that the floor can level, because the floor can't level and it tile.
That means we can't work off on the
So we are measure the correct level of the building so we can give a proper quantity of the job we have ahead of we. You understand? For so much material I'm gonna need for cast, how much digging I'm gonna need it, all of them something there. Because as me mentioned before, you cannot tile out a place and everywhere have a different level. It never work out. It can't tile like that. It have a level, we can tile properly. So we are run with squid line all throughout, level, so we can have a reference. Okay? Down here, so this countertop way too high. The countertop is way too high. I'm a tall person, I'm over 6 feet, and it has a difficult for somebody average height or short to work comfortably on a counter here. The window also cabinet cover right there outside that's going to come down a few inches. And then this window likewise is going to come down a few inches. So we can still maintain the backsplash. Next one. Okay. So this look level right here. So but you see 2 inches. And as I mentioned, another section in the building, the card exactly against the ground. So you see most of the building, it's sloping. It's sloping. And considering say we have some lintel and thing put in, we have to make sure say we have the adequate spacing to the door top because the door have to be accommodated for. So I measure now.
18 and a half.
So from the card line this up to the door top, we have 80. And it really should have been 82 because when you buy a door, door comes 79. So it seems as if when they were doing this building, they never do a floor level line. The floor level line would have passed somewhere in the middle, but all the way around the building level. So you use that as your reference for when you do your lintel, for when you do your roof, for when you cast your floor, everything come off of that reference line that is level right around the building. So you can have everything in unison. You get me I say? Because look at this. Though this is not really a window per se, it's just an opening towards the kitchen, but still it would have been much better if they had made these on the same level. It would have looked nicer if they made it on the same level. You get me I say? So chances are we have to do some work to carry all this and I see them so it go right around the building, you know. So a lot of remedial work are needed to get this place how it's supposed to.
This was an existing building.
Yeah.
So instead they cash the floor level of this floor. They cast everything independent.
They just throw material on it and just start work.
Anyway, reach where that's what you reach. Yeah man, so we're gonna have a big issue here, so we have to go cast back the whole of this. Chop off back the whole of the door top them. And carry them up to the right level.
Yeah.
Catch the level for half of this. And so we catch this level also, we take where we want.
Go up above it.
Yes. So you see anything to chop off, we just chop. You see me? So we just catch a level for here, so and just take one, we take a level right through for half of this. So we know say alright, we're gonna take it 2 inches above this. Because I know we have to higher this.
The next problem we have face, guys, out here so really we are very much higher than inside too.
Yes man.
And when rain fall and blow in, the water go straight into the house.
This have to go deep down.
So the varna might have to just well dig down.
So higher than down, so and the one that can't come in the varna have to go up.
So all of them little thing there. Alright, so this if you don't know, remember little D, you see me, him render enough of my job, you know. Him do enough of the little finishing work them, you know, in Everton did kinda crunchy in the last part there, you know. So some of the wall them flash and render in the help out with that. But this is like the mason work, the original mason work or the mason work before. You can see the wall them not straight. You know. Don't know the price I should get it for. Most likely she get it for a really good price. You know, the lady where I try, she don't really have it like that and we just try help her out. But yeah, you have a big dip in that wall here. So we have to go flash this off and kind of make it look uniform, make it look, you know, square, you know? Straight. Yeah. And like it's at the rear of the building. You know. Yeah. Yeah, man, so today is the first day, you know, of the work. The electricians, them also, them are come back too. They are coming this morning as well. You know, so yeah, I'm just here waiting now for the delivery. The hardware, nearby hardware called me, say within the next 10 minutes they should be here. So just a wait on them, you know. Yeah, man, so we'll kick off this for the lady, you know, the umbilical lady and thing, and you know, I like her spirit. I say we try and help her out, you know, as best as we can. Yeah, because as what I did explain with all the floor height and the window height, them and them stuff, the door height, them, everything need correcting, because you know, we have to get the thing standardized so that when we put in with doors and so on, we don't have no problem, you understand? Yeah. And as I had mentioned too, the cover there way too high. It have to come down. Electrician basically states say this have to move over because it's too close to the sink. You know, this socket here have to move over a little bit, and you know, stuff like that. The height of them here no right. Them want to go up a little more, because when the floor cast and tile, them here are too low to the ground. So them adjustment there to be made, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, so I try and little lady and thing, you know, friend of the channel. So we try and help her out, you know, and that's what we're doing. So yeah, man, we'll kick it off right now, guys. So stay tuned, alright? Cool. There where, you know, where I show experience during long-term rental and thing at that particular property. I've been reading the comments, quite a number, quite an extent, whoever comment, they get me, I say respond to a few of them, but you know, just I use this opportunity just to address a few more of them. They're like 95 to 99% of the comments that were in agreement, you know, or they were baffled, but there were just a few comments that persons, there are questions, and that's normal, you know, questions. So, you know, I'm basically explaining, you know, more about that. Person saying, hey, we don't visit the property and whatnot, but what I try to explain is 2.5 years. Within the first year and a bit, everything was okay. I've been there, visited there a few times. But the moment the relationship kind of broke down, like, you know, I talked to her about issues, and, you know, with the responses that we get, we say, you know, this not gonna work out. So from that point, present her a couple notices, and the attitude just get really bad. So because of that, can't access the place. You know what I say? So we just hope that we could hurry up and see our back, so we could just pick up the pieces and move on. But at the same time, we not expect that was the level would have reached, you know. The window, the front window there, within the last 2 months, the latter part of 2023, we noticed the window break, because I do visit there quite often. You get me? I say I do visit there quite often, contrary to when I realize that the comments people don't know. But me visiting the place different from me actually going on the inside. When she in the house and lock up, and I like me can go and take off the lock and walk in. You see me I say? That's one thing. Also, what people no get to understand is, the laws in Jamaica as it relates to rentals kind of different from probably where a lot of you guys are staying or living, like the US and Canada. Things different. You see me I say, if even you have an agreement with somebody, we say yearly lease renewal or whatever. At the end of the day, if the person don't want to vacate, you can't go there to throw them out. It's not a police matter, it's a court matter. So based on that now, you would have to actually go to the court to get a court date, in which most of the times in Jamaica to get a court date you look for months. So these are the things where people battle with in long-term rental, As the person's talking about the say mole in the house, mole in there. It's smoke around the room. It's smoke. You see me I say? Regarding the cupboard, those cupboards, no termite, those cupboards are termite resistant. So it's not termite cause where you see here. And at the same time, yeah, you might have some leakage underneath causing some of the board to rot or water soak, but what about the doors and the exterior walls or the cupboard? Where are those? So persons, for the most part, the comments, I'm in agreement with the majority of the comments, but there's a few of them I want to clarify some things because we weren't able to address them during that video. So as I say, with the cupboard, water wouldn't touch the door, and on a termite, we're not a termite problem. You see me? So why it end up the way it did and the door them missing and all of that, I couldn't tell you. But just to know that I've seen these cupboards. Gore another developer sell hundreds of thousands of these kind of dwelling with the same kind of cupboard, and them not turn out the way them turn out. But I just down to individual being malicious or persons not really care because they don't really fit in place. You see me? I just that it come down to at the end of the day, So no matter how good a quality cupboard, no matter everything, if somebody is just being malicious or being destructive, that's just what you're gonna have happening in the end, Next thing, as it relates to us recouping or whatever, right now we just take things easy. We're not stress. We're not really stressed about what we're going, we just take it easy, you know what I mean? So yeah, we not put it on our head right now. We just make that stay one side for the time being, So we are focused. So right now we have a job that we may look towards. The house down that side, down New Harbour Village, it's locked up at the moment in the top of my head. So we not really worry about it. We just make sure the mortgage pay and that can go and stay for the time being. I not get myself, too worked up about it. Yeah, thanks for all the comments, all the likes, all the words of encouragement. We've gotten a few calls as well. Enough people reach out to me. All the lady reach out to me with tear in her eyes. I said, boy, well, two ladies actually. Tear in her eyes. I said, boy, she's been there. A gentleman called me. He been there. He know what it is like. And a lot of persons said that's why them rather just lock up them place. But why the good just often time just suffer for the body, man. The good sometimes just have to suffer for the body, just so life for some time. And we just pick up the pieces and we move on, Yeah, but we now make it damn moving. As I say, the place down the lock up right now, we not stress over it. So it's what it is. Them can damage the inside, but our property same way, Yeah, man, we'll pick up the pieces eventually and we'll move on and we'll learn from that,